Teens, if you do makeup, who do you learn makeup from? This ordinary high school student neighbor made me in trouble. She kept on asking me to put makeup on her. But I was worried at it because, as you might know, most Korean parents are still conservative and don't like their children to wear makeup. In a nutshell, I didn't want to be an accomplice to this girl. Today's expressions are related to makeup and they are 화장, 화장품, 똥손, 금손, 면봉, and 볼터치. If you're interested in the expressions or the situation, please watch the following video. Hello, I'm Bori and it's Bori's Korean. The situation was like this. She kept on sending messages and asking me to put makeup on her. Hi Bori, do you me a favor? Nope, I knew what she was going to ask. Please put on makeup for me. Nope, please. Nope, don't ask me please. I finished the final exam, it's time to make up. Nope, my birthday is coming and I have a wish. Can you guess what I suggested to her in the end? Only if it's okay for you to upload your makeup video on YouTube. Yes, I am a person who always makes things worse and a professional YouTuber. Even I'm bragging about the world of grown-ups cosmetics. Am I the only one who enjoys to act cool in front of a teenager? But to be honest, I don't have many cosmetics. By the way, makeup is called 화장, 화장 in Korea, and cosmetics are called 화장품, 화장품. And here is her pure reaction. Oh, I love it. She's so cute. But before I start the makeup, I have to confess to her. Actually, that's my first time giving someone makeup. Your face may become a clown. I'm actually scared of myself. In Korea, there are expressions like 금손 and 똥손. Each of them mean golden hand and pooped hand. These slangs refer to those people, good or bad, at things done by hands, such as cooking, assembling, and painting. Those good are 금손 and those bad are 똥손. Am I a 금손 or 똥손? We will see. Now I'm gonna enjoy my own art class. Interim checks are also necessary so that the balance on the right and left is not compromised. Yeah, I knew it. I need a cotton swab to fix her makeup now. What's cotton swab in Korean then? It's 면봉, 면봉. Oh my god, the product I used is waterproof. I can't get rid of it. I'm a little embarrassed, but I pretended to be okay because I should be a professional makeup artist to her. I look calm, right? Now it's time to apply mascara. I give her a choice this time. Do you like black or brown? Now, do as I do. Open your eyes and stare at the ceiling. You have to endure the temptation to close your eyes. Let's get your bangs down too. Oh, I guess I made it. It's not that bad. Hey, you look much better in makeup. I'm quite satisfied with my talent in art. To make her look prettier, I can't miss blusher. To apply this, I need to find your cheekbones. Smile! Unlike many parts of Korean cosmetics that use the same expressions in English, the Korean word blusher is a combination of Korean and English. So what isn't in Korean? It's 볼터치. 볼터치. The Korean word 볼 means cheeks. So 볼터치, which means touching cheeks, became blusher here. Let me try everything I can do into your face. I do a contouring without forgetting the lipstick. I'm done. Do you like it? You can compliment me as much as you like. So tell me guys, Am I a 똥손 or 금손? Judgment is up to you. Today's expressions related to makeup are 화장, 화장품, 똥손, 금손, 면봉, and 볼터치. Now, I'm going to go confess to her parents that I put makeup on her face and even filmed it. Please wish me luck. Bye!